Comment, criticism, and complaint. The three C's that we need to check in ourselves and change often. Comment. Is it really necessary to comment on each and everything that comes on our way? Not at all. We see that most of the time we comment by seeing the physical actions of other people, and that always seems to have a sense of interference in others' life, and we really do not like that. But we also see that people comment on the areas of improvement, people comment on the upgradation of others, people also comment the other may rise up in life, upgrade themselves to a better version. And that comment will always come from the level of the self-upgradation, those who know the essence of wisdom in themselves, those who have actually upgraded themselves in our life. So let us only listen to those comments which will really make us elevated in life. And let us not have that tendency to get influenced by the comment that only comes on the level of physical actions. Second is criticism. Why do we need to criticize others? Criticism actually comes when we have the sense of incompleteness within ourselves. We see that the other person is having much more in the level of physical, and we start comparing ourselves with that person. But let us not mistaken here. The way I'm living my life is my life. The way the other person is living is theirs. And how I'm leading my life each and every day matters a lot. So when I start having the worthiness within myself, when I start actually upgrading myself every moment of my life, then I'm going to create the best fortune for myself, and I'll stop comparing myself with others. I'll stop being jealous. Rather, I'll be not influenced by the praise and also the criticism. My level will be neutral, always upgrading myself. The other important thing which we need to transform in ourselves is complaint. We know that nothing is in our control, which we see through this physical eyes. The world is prevailing and the world is existing as the way it has to. So what I need to check is what is in control in myself. The only control I have in myself is the way I think, the way I feel, and way I act. Now, the perception that I've built within myself, is it based upon the self-upgradation? Am I upgrading myself every day? Or am I also leading the life which others are leading? It is just a copy-paste from the society. Now, I have to check that. If I'm not leading the life that others are leading, that means I am unique and very special. I have much more to give to myself. Then only I can give to others. So when I have this thought, then I'll start complaining. Rather, I'll be feeling so worthy of myself. I'll be having a universal thought for myself and everyone. Then I can lead a happy life. So these are the three C's which we need to check in ourselves and change whenever required. So let us pave towards a better world, being better version of ourselves. So thank you so much, and to take care of yourself.